the multi-talented.
Hi, Shraddha.
Shraddha, you look amazing. Shraddha, we love you. Shraddha, you look amazing. Welcome to Jeddah.
Assalamualaikum everyone.
Salam.
How are you all?
I'm going to cry.
Good. It's so good to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
Love you, Shraddha.
Love you guys.
Thank you for saying yes. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have the honors. We welcome you to Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It's the city where for me it's the capital of art, to be honest. It's my city, so I'm biased to it. So thank you for coming and welcome to the rest. There's never the gesture, you know. Ashiki, everybody's a big fan. From day one since the movie. Actually, as an inside, I'm Television. Abraham Sakri is a song that's in Saudi manages to see the play when the guy comes in. So, how did you prepare for such a role? And did you expect for this kind of a hit when you were in the beginning?
I don't think you can expect something like this. I don't think that you can expect life-changing overnight. Don't expect what the audiences are going to love, how they are going to accept you or not accept you in a specific part. So I remember that Friday changed everything for me when Ashiki released. And it was something that none of us on the film expected was going to happen for us. We did not expect that level of love. We did not expect that level of connection from the audiences. That people are going to be so in love with the film and so in love with the songs that people still love it like crazy today. The fact that you said that, it's played in weddings and all of that here shows the amount of penetration it has had, in different countries as well. So it was very overwhelming. I was just so grateful to be a part of a film like that, where I had also come from two films that hadn't done well, guys.
Teen Patti.
Before that.
Teen Patti.
Yes. And a lot of people actually felt that Ashiki is my first film because nobody knew what two films I had done before that. Nobody had watched them. People were like, oh, your debut film is so nice. And I'm just like, that's not my debut film. I've done two films before that, but it's okay, thank you so much. But, so it was, also I have to say, like how it is in any industry, right? If you've done well, it gets that much more difficult for you to get another opportunity. So I have a lot of gratitude to Mohit Suri because despite having two films that didn't do well, he had the faith in me and gave me Ashiki. And that just changed everything.
I forgot to thank him as well, to be honest. I'm glad that you mentioned the previous two films. It's one of those questions that I wanted to ask, to be honest. Now, because in Saudi, it's an emerging market. Imagine this, cinema started in Saudi Arabia in 2018. But we're very much well exposed, so there is a lot of inspiring actors, actresses. So tell us the experience when the first two films, although they were good, but when they didn't make any buzz. How should an actress should deal? How did you deal with it? The vulnerability side. And this will happen to a lot of actors in Saudi because filmmaking just started. They might be in a lot of films that are not maybe that good. How should we continue? What makes you continue?
So I feel like the fact that I even got an opportunity to be a part of a film, to be cast in a film, is a huge deal. It's a very big deal because there are so many people who come from small towns, from different cities, trying to get that first film. So it's a big deal just to begin with that you've been cast in a movie. Now this, of course, the second and third aspect of that is whether that movie does well or not, but to get that opportunity, I was very, very grateful that I got that opportunity. And then of course, the fact that the film didn't do well, it is heartbreaking. your work to be appreciated. You want people to go and watch your films. You want people to like you on the big screen. You want people to accept you as an actor on the big screen. And I just had my fingers crossed. I was like, यार कोई मुझे एक और पिक्चर दे दे प्लीज, कोई मुझे एक और मौका दे दे, मैं वापस कोशिश करूँगी. And sorry, I'm going to jump back and forth.
You're our dream girl, Shraddha. You're fine. We love you.
So I was just. Oh, love you too. Thank you so much.
We love you so
thank you.
much. We love you so much.
Love you guys. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for having me here.
Welcome to Jeddah.
And all of you are so generous and so loving. Thank you so much.
Said I love you.
I love you so much. Thank
Some of
you.
us are about to cry.
Oh, don't cry. No,
We love you.
Rona mat, please. Please.
Jhoti.
Rona mat, please.
We love you, Shraddha. We love you.
Love you guys
Shraddha,
so
I'm from
much.
Love you, Shraddha.
Love you guys.
from
Thank
Mumbai.
you so much.
Mumbai.
Hello.
Delhi here, Shraddha.
We'll give you a chance. Trust me.
I love your
we'll give you a
British
chance.
accent. You have amazing British and American accent.
It's okay. I'm glad.
This
Love
is
you from Pakistan.
Appreciate the compliment. Thank you so much.
this.
So,
The city is of love.
sorry.
This city is all about love.
It's amazing. I'm learning so much because there is nothing like love and affection and sharing it. So I can feel all your energy. It's too good. Thank you so much. And so yes, I was just like, यार मुझे एक और picture मिल जाए, And I'm so glad that at that point I got to be a part of Love Ka The End, which was my second film, which maybe all of you have never heard of or seen. Oh my god, yeah, that's great. It was a lot of fun. That film was so much fun.
Yes.
I got to work with a fabulous team, and it was nice to be a part of a film which was led by three girls at the time. And so I feel like, just to come back to what you had asked me, at that moment I still feel I'm very blessed, I'm very privileged because मुझे मौका मिलता है to be a part of films. People don't even get that chance. उनको वो मौका भी नहीं मिलता that they get their first film. They try for years and years and years. So if I compare my journey to that, I am very, very, very privileged. But if there was that hard time where you want your film to do well, I was very blessed that I had a very good support system. I live with my parents still, and he has been a rock in my life. My father, my bapu. And his journey, he did not come from a film background. His background was completely different. My dadaji was in the textile industry, and my father, being an absolute, he was very sure. He was like, मुझे तो actor ही बनना है. तो घर छोड़ के he came to Bombay, and he really made it from zero. And that is something that hearing his stories, I really take my inspiration from that, and I try not to take anything for granted. And I know how privileged I have been and how blessed I have been. So my parents have been a very big support system in my life. My brother has been a very big support system. When those two films didn't do well, I remember I was very upset, and my dad was like, कुछ नहीं होता, try करते रहो, और auditions दो, और काम करो. This is a part of life, and so I'm just very grateful to my parents and my family for being there.
Hands down, your father is one of the hardest working people I've seen in a sense that the amount of films that he's done.
He has done, guys. आप guess कर सकते हो how many films he has done? 54. हाँ?
Above 100.
Triple digit है.
Above.
Yes.
Wow.
My dad has done over 700 films.
The most handsome villain.
The most.
The most.
और उनका मतलब जब बहुत पुराने फोटोज हैं घर पे एंड क्या स्टाइल होता था यार और उनका अभी भी क्या स्टाइल है ही इज जस्ट समवन हु इनहेरेंटली हैज दैट ऑरा एंड वाइब सो ही हैज डन 700 फिल्म्स एंड the kind of roles that he has done, the stories that I hear, oh my god, I could just sit and hear his stories every day about his journey, his struggles, and how he was like, मैंने कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं कि struggle है या मैंने तो ऐसे सोचा कि यही ऐसे ही होता है कि ऐसे ही काम करना होता है. So imagine he didn't even feel that it was a struggle for him, which is an amazing mindset.
So, for me to all aspiring actors, new actors, it's just feel blessed for the first film that you got and a lot of people don't get it. And from your father, it's not a show at the beginning. This is what you love, keep doing it. That's awesome. Let's delve into some strong films that you've done. I have to be biased as it's one of my favorite films, to be honest. Like one of my favorite films overall. Heather. Like you were in Heather. What an impact the role that you played. I believe the contrast you brought made Shahid Kapoor's character more clear. Otherwise, it wouldn't be clear why is this guy that much between and your contrast. So overall, like how is it working with Shahid Kapoor and this role and with this cast?
Oh my god, it was when I auditioned for my part in Heather. And when Vishal sir chose me, I was like, I can't believe I'm getting to work with Vishal Bharadwaj. I have to pinch myself. And it was a very big moment for me to be cast in Heather. It was a dream come true for me to work with him. I mean, he's one of the finest filmmakers we have. And so I was just very, very excited and very, I was like, अब ये picture कैसे होगी? इसकी journey क्या होगी? And you know, when you work with people who are so passionate about their craft, as a director, he's extremely passionate about how he makes his films, and I got to experience that. He's very, very, very true to what his vision is, you know, and I think we all saw that in a beautiful film, and that's what makes a beautiful film come to life on the big screen. My experience on Heather specifically made me fall in love deeper with the craft because I saw how Vishal sir worked. And I was like, अगर काम करना है तो ऐसे करना है, प्यार से, passion से करना है. So that was the takeaway for me.
You respect the craft, I believe they respect you back.
Shraddha, can you sing Heather song? Please.
We can wait.
Will you sing with me?
I will sing with you.
Please
Ashiki
sing
song.
later, but what do you think?
Okay.
Later? But you all have to sing with me.
Ashiki song.
Okay, we'll all take one vote.
Ashiki.
Ashiki.
ये तो मतलब majority मतलब no brainer.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो.
But साथ में गाएंगे last में. हाँ.
So, one of your amazing how do you say it, like hits, and a very different role again. Stree. Stree is one of those films that regardless of all the data, all the producers say that these days आजकल ये चल रहा है, आजकल वो चल रहा है, and then comes this horror comedy and takes everybody by surprise. Everybody enjoys it. We love it. Did you ever imagine that? And then your role is so different to say yes and be not, you know. So, did you ever imagine when that was on paper that it's going to be a strong film, or it was just, you know what, it's fun, let me just do it?
I was like, यार मुझे मौका मिल रहा है कि चोटी के साथ मैं विलन का ब्रांड हो जाऊँ, तो मैं ये मौका कैसे छोड़ सकती हूँ?
वो स्त्री है.
वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. Sorry?
She can do anything. She is a woman. She can do anything.
Exactly. अपनी चोटी सोचो बैंड डरा सकती है किसी को